Memory usage in AI 3D DNN engine, HRMIS and Payroll. Model by Pradeep K. Suri. 1. Overview and purpose. The video is a visual journey through the neural processing pipeline of an HRMIS, Human Resource Management Information System, integrated with a 3D Deep Neural Network, DNN, engine. Its primary goal is to explain how various memory types, RAM, VRAM, disk, are allocated across the 12 hidden layers. Showcase how the system intelligently processes HR and payroll data layer by layer. Brain 2. Layer by layer memory mapping. Input buffer. Memory used, RAM. Captures raw HR data like employee info, salary structure, attendance, and tax declarations from ERP systems and portals. RAM is used here for quick loading and pre-processing. Hidden layers 1 to 12, intelligent payroll logic. Each hidden layer is mapped to a payroll rule or HR logic, and the memory type used for each is purposefully selected. Layer function memory type reason. 1. Gross salary computation RAM basic arithmetic. 2. Attendance adjustment, prorata, VRAM matrix-based validation. 3. LOP deduction VRAM conditional logic and patterns. 4. Bonus processing VRAM nonlinear, incentive-based logic. 5. Reimbursements RAM summation and mapping. 6. PF calculation VRAM multivariable statutory rules. 7. ESI calculation VRAM similar to PF, pattern-based. 8. Professional tax RAM table lookups by location. 9. TDS deduction VRAM tax slab computations. 10. Net pay finalization RAM netting multiple elements. 11. Payslip mapping and cost center RAM structured tabular formatting. 12. Government compliance report generation disk persistence storage and export. 3. Output reporting stage. Memory used, disk. All finalized outputs like payslips, compliance filings, dashboards, bank salary files are exported to disk. This ensures audit readiness, integration with third-party systems, and long-term archival. Chart increasing 4. Visualization style. The video uses animated bar charts where the height of each bar indicates the memory size or load for that layer. Colors visually differentiate memory types. Royal blue equals RAM. Orange equals VRAM. Green equals disk. This structure clearly shows how memory allocation is not uniform but optimized per function. 5. Technical takeaway. The memory architecture mirrors real-world hybrid AI systems combining CPU, RAM, GPU, VRAM, and storage, disk. It showcases layered computation, data persistence, and real-time analytics. It supports modular design for scaling and compliance, Indian PF/ESI/income tax regulations. Conclusion. The video effectively visualizes how memory is intelligently used and managed in an AI-driven HRMIS payroll engine. It bridges AI theory with enterprise practice, making it an excellent educational, managerial, and architectural reference for enterprise AI systems. Brain Architects Keynote. By Pradeep K. Suri, AI/ML Architect and ERP Innovator. The AI 3D DNN engine for HRMIS and Payroll is not just a system, it's a leap in intelligent automation. Each hidden layer is engineered with precision to reflect real-world HR decisions, transforming static employee data into actionable, intelligent outcomes. By managing memory allocation across RAM, VRAM, and disk, the engine mirrors how a high-performance brain processes short-term, long-term, and archival tasks all in one flow. This engine brings transparency, compliance, and intelligence to the core of payroll, enabling all levels of management to derive value from predictive attrition reports to individual payslips, all computed in real time with policy-aware logic. Thanks note. I extend my sincere thanks to all collaborators, reviewers, and stakeholders who contributed to the design and testing of this intelligent model. Your feedback refined every layer from architecture to visualization, and your insights will continue shaping the future of enterprise AI systems. Pradeep K. Suri, AI Engine Designer. July 2025.